Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to repair a Vega helmet. First, carefully inspect your helmet for any visible damage, such as cracks in the shell or loose components. Next, gather your tools, which typically include a screwdriver, soft cloths, and a mild soap solution. Knowing your specific Vega helmet model is crucial for finding the correct replacement parts. Remember, if the helmet has significant structural damage, it's always safer to replace it completely rather than attempting a repair. A common repair is replacing a scratched or damaged visor. Most Vega visors can be easily detached by releasing clips or screws on the side mechanisms. Clean any minor scuffs on the helmet's outer shell using a soft cloth and a gentle, non-abrasive cleaner. When installing a new visor, ensure it clicks securely into place on both sides. Test its movement to confirm it opens and closes smoothly, providing a tight seal. Keeping your helmet's interior clean is vital for comfort. Most Vega helmets have removable padding that can be hand-washed with a mild detergent and then air-dried. Reinstall the padding by aligning the snaps and pressing them firmly into their designated slots. For chin straps, adjust them so you can comfortably fit 2 fingers underneath. If your nylon straps are too long, you can trim the excess and carefully melt the cut ends with a lighter to prevent fraying. For more advanced repairs, always check the helmet's expanded polystyrene, or EPS, liner for any signs of compression or cracks, especially after an impact. This is crucial for safety. If you encounter complex shell damage or issues with the visor mechanism that you cannot easily fix, it is best to seek professional repair or consider replacing the helmet. And for easy meal prep, check out the leak-proof containers and other great deals linked in the description below. Remember to store your helmet in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, to maintain its integrity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.